This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your BPL TV supports casting or has a Chromecast plugged in, and that both the TV and your phone or tablet are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, open the app you want to cast from and enable any casting options. Some apps require you to tap a cast icon. Make sure Bluetooth and local network permissions are enabled on your device so discovery can complete quickly. Then move to selecting the TV. Now focus on initiating the connection. Open the casting app and tap the cast icon. You should see your BPL TV listed by name. Select it. If the TV shows a PIN or pairing prompt, enter or confirm it on your phone to authenticate the session. Once connected, the app should show a casting indicator and the TV will mirror or play content directly. If playback stalls, pause and resume the stream to force a buffer reset before adjusting quality settings. To finish, stop casting from the app or use the TV's input menu to disconnect. Doing so cleanly frees network resources. If the BPL TV never appears, restart the router, the TV, and your phone, wait 30 seconds and try discovery again. This often clears IP conflicts. If wireless casting remains unreliable, switch to a wired HDMI connection or update the TV's firmware and app versions. These fixes resolve most compatibility or codec issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.